If you want to eject the SIM tray from Xiaomi 17, but you do not have the SIM eject tool, let me give you some tips on what you can use as an alternative in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. So essentially, you are looking for something that is thin, straight and sturdy so that it fits this SIM tray hole that we have in this place. The best option is going to be a paperclip, simply because it looks a lot like the SIM eject tool. Now, you want to unfold a small paperclip so one end is straight, and then you want to insert it gently into this SIM tray hole, into the SIM eject hole. There we go, and then you want to press it until the SIM tray pops out. Now, of course, if you do not have the paperclip, you can also try to use, for example, an earring post. You can use like a plain metal stud earring that is not a hook, or decorative end. And you can make sure it is clean and straight, and then you should be able to put it into this hole. You want to insert it and press gently, just like with the case in the case of a paperclip. A sewing needle or pin also can work because usually it's thin, so you can hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure. A staple, like straightened staple, can work as well. You can carefully straighten a staple and then ensure there are no sharp bends that could snap inside the hole, of course, and then you can try to put it in and eject the SIM tray. Also, if you have like a mechanical pencil tip without lead, then it might work in this case, so you can give it a try. However, you want to be careful because if you have like a plastic tip, then it can break, and of course you don't want to really do that. So, like I said, the best option is going to be a paper clip, but if you're wondering what you should not use, you should not really use a toothpick or a wooden stick because it can break off easily. A safety pin with rounded ends, not going to work as well. Screws or nails are not really recommended. Anything thick or blunt, you want to avoid that as well. So once you have anything that is long enough, of course, and pointy enough, and straight enough, and thin enough so it fits, and sturdy enough as well, so it fits the hole, you should be able to put it in over here, and then apply a little bit of pressure to make the SIM tray pop out. And once it slightly pops out, then of course you can just remove it with your fingernails or fingers. And that is pretty much it. Of course, once you insert your SIM cards into the SIM tray, then you want to put it back in, you want to slide it back into the phone. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.